In the previous lecture, we have learned various rules of deduction for calculation of the brickwork and the plastering. Okay. Now let's talk about the actual calculation of the how we are going to calculate the quantity of the brickwork and the plastering and other items of the work. Okay. Now estimating the quantity of the particular item of the work is also known as the taking out the quantities. Okay. Finding the quantity of the particular item of the work like brickwork, RCC work, plastering is known as the taking out quantities. Okay. Now whatever the quantities you are finding out of the items for required for the particular structure, there are two methods for that. Okay. Okay, so for taking out the quantities, there are two standard methods. First one is the long watch short one method, and second one is the center line method. These are the methods said by the PWD Department of particular state. Okay, these are well-known methods. But as you go on the field, okay, once you have completed particular degree, okay, these particular methods are limited to your educational or particular degree. Okay, once you go out on the field, on that particular field, the various estimator might use his own method. Okay, so there, remember that there is no hard or forced rule for finding the quantities of particular item of the work. There is no rule. Only the rules applies are the rules of deduction and for the black work and plastering. Okay. For calculating the quantity of item of the work, whatever the dimension you are going to find out, okay, जे काही तुमचे क्वांटिटी मीटर क्यूब मध्ये तुम्ही फाइंड आउट करणार, जे काही तुम्ही डायमेन्शन फाइंड आउट करणार, for that calculation we do not have any rule, okay, or we do not have any standard method. So when we go out on the particular field, every estimator use his own method, or depending upon the plan of the building, every estimator might change the standard method, okay, to some extent or to the great extent. Okay, some of the estimator always some of the estimator also use combination of the two or three methods. Okay, so remember that this is not important as the your educational, okay, or is this is not important as an exam point of view, but remember that once you go out in the field, there might be a different methods which one particular estimator might use. So remember to clear your concepts. Okay, because if your concepts are not clear, only you're taking the particular methods, okay, as exam point of view, then as you go on the field as a junior engineer or as a site engineer or the estimator, all the field requires estimating and costing, knowledge of the estimating and costing. So you might find it difficult on the side. Okay, so first method is PWD method of long wall short wall method. The particular method is used by the PWD. That's why it's called as the PWD method. Okay. Most of the estimates prepared by the PWD will be done in the as per the PWD method. That's why it is known as the PWD method. Another is the second line method. Second करूँगा. Okay. Second method is the center line method. Okay. There is also third method is there, which is the combination of the PWD method and the center line method. So if in the in oral, okay, exam मध्ये तर नाही विचारणार, पण जर oral मध्ये तुम्हाला विचारलं की अजून कोणती मेथड आहे, so there is a third method in which combination of the both methods, long wall short wall method and center line method will be used. Okay. Now, so let's start with the long wall short wall method. Let's start with the long wall short wall method. First, suppose you have a structure with the two rooms. Okay, this is one is the first room and this one is the second room. Your structure, you have to calculate the quantity of brickwork required for this particular structure. Suppose the brickwork is of a height of 3 meter. Okay, something 3 meter. Okay, then you have to calculate the quantity of the brickwork for this particular building. So what you do? A quantity will be in the meter cube, so quantity of the brickwork will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay, so you have a developed plan of that particular building. From that developed plan, you will calculate the total area of the area occupied by the wall, okay, and multiply it with the height of that particular building. That will give you the quantity of the particular brickwork. ओके, दिस इज अ सिम्पल मेथड. ओके, काहीही विचार न करता जर तुम्हाला फक्त डेव्हलप प्लॅन दिलेला असेल आणि सांगितलं असेल या पर्टिक्युलर डेव्हलप प्लॅन आहे ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर बिल्डिंग. डेव्हलप प्लॅन मध्ये काय दिसतात तुम्हाला? वॉल दिसतात. ओके, नाव यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द ब्रिक वर्क. सो what you are going to do, you are going to calculate the area under the brick and multiply it with the height of that particular building. So area multiplied by height, that will give us the total quantity of the brickwork. That will give us the total quantity of the brickwork. Please do not present your screen. So now you have to calculate the area of this particular wall. So how we are going to calculate the area of the particular wall? We are going to divide that particular area into two sections. First is the all the horizontal wall will be termed as a long walls. Okay, this particular section, this particular two horizontal walls were there. So we are going to name it as a or consider it as a long walls, and all the vertical walls that will be named as a short wall. Okay, now calculating the area of the individual wall. Okay, area of the long wall and area of the short wall, that will give us the total area of the wall and multiplied with the height of that particular building, that will give us the quantity of the brickwork required. Okay, this is the particular concept, dividing the particular wall into the various section. Horizontal wall as the long wall and vertical wall as the short wall. Okay, now remember that even though the long wall doesn't mean it is a long wall. Okay, या पर्टिक्युलर डायग्राम मध्ये तुम्हाला असं म्हणायचं नाही की ओके हॉरिझॉन्टल वॉल ही लॉंग आहे त्यामुळे लॉंग वॉल म्हणतात असं नाही, किंवा पर्टिक्युलर this in this case if the particular wall is short then we are going to call it the short wall. This is not the concept. Remember that the even though if the particular wall is horizontal and the length of that particular wall is shorter than the length of the vertical wall, even though we are going to consider that particular wall as a long wall. Okay, so in that case we are in this particular example we are considering this particular horizontal wall as the long wall and this particular wall as the short wall. Now in this particular case we are going to consider this wall as a long wall, again second wall as a this wall as a long wall, again second wall as a long wall, and third wall as the long wall. And this particular wall, this particular wall, this particular, these four walls will be considered as a short wall. Now suppose we have a room of a 5 by 3 meter, and we have to calculate the quantity of the brickwork for that particular रूम. ओके, एक पर्टिक्युलर रूम आहे तुमची 5 by 3 मीटर. ओके, तिची पर्टिक्युलर हाईट तुम्हाला ब्रिक वॉलची हाईट आहे समजा 3.1 मीटर, अँड ॲट द base of the brickwork there is a PCC work. Okay, now you have to calculate the quantity of the brickwork for this particular item. Then what we are going to do, we are going to divide this particular building into two sections, that is the long walls and the short walls. Okay, first long wall will be the horizontal walls and short wall will be the vertical walls. Okay, so the length of the long wall for this particular building will be, so length of the long wall will be out to out distance between out to out distance of the or out to out length of that particular wall. So for this particular section, the length, sorry, the length of the long wall will be 5. That will be the bed, room dimension plus whatever be the width of the item. Okay, sorry, width of the brickwork plus other width of the brickwork. So that will be the our out to out dimension of this long wall. That will be 5 plus point 0.3. Okay, point 0.3 plus another point 0.3. That will give us the length of the long wall as 5.6 meter. Now the quantity of the particular brickwork will be number of long walls, that will be the 2 multiplied by the length of the long wall multiplied by the width of the brickwork and multiplied with the height of that particular item of the work. That will give us the quantity of the brickwork. What is the quantity of the brickwork? Calculation करून सांगा आणि सर्वांनी एका वेळेस जॉईन होत चला. ओके, मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिले होते. आपल्याकडे आता वेबएक्स नाही, त्यामुळे आय हॅव टू individually accept each person on the Google Meet, so it creates a disturbance in the class. So the quantity of the brickwork in long wall equals to number of long walls multiplied by the length of the long wall multiplied by width of the item multiplied by height of that particular item. That will give us the quantity in the meter cube. The quantity comes to 10.42 meter cube. Okay, or 10.416 meter cube. Now this is the quantity of brickwork in the long wall. Total quantity will be quantity of brickwork in long wall plus quantity of the brickwork in the short wall. Okay. Now the length of short wall. In case of the long wall, we are considering the length out to out. Okay. But in case of the long wall, okay, as this section is already assumed, okay, or already calculated in the long wall, therefore we are going to we are going to calculate the length of the short wall into in. Okay, because this particular section has been already calculated or already taken in the long wall calculation. So into in length of this particular long wall, sorry, short wall will be 3 meter. Okay, जे रूमचं डायमेन्शन आहे तेच तुमचं डायमेन्शन असेल. Therefore the length of the short wall equals to the 3 meters. Therefore quantity of the brickwork in the short wall will equals to number of short wall as 2 multiplied by length of the particular short wall multiplied by the width of the item of work multiplied by height of that particular item of work. That will give us the quantity in the meter cube. What is the quantity of the meter cube? Quantity of the brickwork in the short wall. Okay, 5.58 meter cube. So total quantity of the brickwork will be the quantity of the brickwork in long wall plus quantity of the brickwork in the short wall. Okay. Now this seems pretty easy if we consider only the brick wall. Okay. This method seems pretty easy, directly calculating the length of the long wall and the short wall by uh, adding this particular width of that particular section at the end, okay, width of the particular item of the work. Now, in case of the PCC, okay, if you have to calculate the quantity of the PCC, this developed plan of the PCC will be like this, okay. This red section will be the, this will be the, sorry. For the PCC of the 1 meter, the section or the developed plan will be like this. Okay, you have to calculate area of this particular particular section. Okay, now to calculate the length in the particular brick wall, it was pretty easy to calculate the out to out width or out to out length of this particular section. Okay, in case of the ब्रिक वर्क ओके कारण तुमचं ब्रिक वर्क जे आहे तेच तुम्हाला डेव्हलप प्लॅन मध्ये दिलेलं असतंय बट इन केस ऑफ द पीसीसी इन केस ऑफ द डेव्हलप प्लॅन ओनली द ब्रिक वर्क इज शोन नॉट द पीसीसी सो if you have to calculate the out to out distance that is the length of the long wall for the PCC you have to make some additional calculations okay जर तुम्हाला हे खूप सोपं होतं तुम्हाला बट इन केस ऑफ द पीसीसी यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट द पर्टिक्युलर जो काही तुमचा ऑफसेट असेल तो तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट करावा लागेल ऑल्सो इन केस ऑफ द शॉर्ट वॉल यू अगेन हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट दिस पर्टिक्युलर ऑफसेट ओके सो the particular calculation becomes way more tedious in case of the as the item of the work changes okay so in this case only one pcc is there okay एकच तुमची स्टेप आहे फक्त pcc but in case of the ucr masonry there might be a multiple stages okay there might be a multiple steps here so while calculating the quantity or length of the uh, length of the long wall for the each step you have to calculate the you have to do the calculations in depth okay or that particular calculation becomes way more tedious so to avoid that we consider a particular baseline as a particular center line as a baseline to calculate all of our calculation okay now for the center line all the dimensions will be same okay this particular center line or the baseline for all of the steps the particular baseline or a center line will be same so if we consider the center line as a base to our calculation then the calculation becomes way too easier okay suppose again we have to calculate the quantity of the brickwork in this particular आपण काय करणार परत एकदा ह्या जी काही पर्टिक्युलर सेंटर लाईन ऑफ दिस पर्टिक्युलर वॉल आहे तिला आपण एक बेस लाईन पकडणार आणि त्याचे कॅल्क्युलेशन करणार सो फर्स्ट द लेंथ ऑफ द ब्रिक वर्क आउट टू आउट लेंथ ऑफ दिस पर्टिक्युलर ब्रिक वर्क विल बी इक्वल्स टू दिस सेंटर लाईन लेंथ ओके कारण आपण सेंटर लाईन जी काही पर्टिक्युलर सेंटर लाईन आहे तिला बेस म्हणून पकडत आहोत therefore the out to out length of this particular long wall will be equals to center line length plus half width and other half width okay half width on the one side okay center line जी असते तुमची half width मध्ये असते ओके इथपर्यंत आपण ऑलरेडी सेंटर लाईन कन्सिडर केलेली आहे त्यामुळे तुम्हाला ही जी हाफ विड्थ असेल ओके टोटल विड्थ ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर वॉल इज 0.3 so this half will be the 0.15 similarly we have to add the other half of this particular half from the other side okay so the length of the long wall or long wall length out to out will be the center to center line length plus half breadth of on the one side plus half breadth on the other side this will give us the out to out calculation of the particular item of the work similarly in case of the पीसीसी ओके पीसीसी मध्ये सुद्धा तुम्हाला ही बेसलाईन आपल्याला ही ऑलरेडी आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं आहे ओके सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन डिस्टन्स इज ऑलरेडी नोन टू अस सो वी जस्ट हॅव टू ऍड हाफ ब्रेड ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर आयटम ऑन द ईच साइड देअरफॉर द whatever the center to center line distance here, we are going to just add half breadth, that is the point, suppose 1 meter जर तुमचा basis असेल तर 0.5 and other half that is a 0.5 plus center line length. Now let's do the calculations. So first calculating the center line length of the long wall, that will be the 5, that is your length of the, okay, जे काही डायमेन्शन असेल तुमचं रूमचं 5 प्लस 0.15 प्लस 0.15, ओके, इथपर्यंत तुमचं 5 आहे, प्लस तुम्हाला हाफ करायचं आहे कारण सेंटर लाईन आहे, सो दिस विल बी युअर 0.15. अनदर साइड अदर अगेन तिथे 0.15 असेल, सो सेंटर लाईन लेंथ फॉर द लॉंग वॉल विल बी 5 प्लस 0.15 प्लस 0.15, that will give us the center line length as a 5.3 meter. So length of the long wall for the brickwork will be equals to center line length, that is 5.3 plus half width on the one side plus half width on the other side. टोटल तुमचे ब्रिकवरची जी विड्थ होती ती होती तुमची 0.3, सो हाफ that will be the 0.15 एका साइडची आणि अदर साइडची 0.15, that will give us the out to out dimension, okay, out to out length of this particular long wall. Similarly नाव पीसीसी मध्ये अगेन तुम्हाला जी काही तुमची सेंटर लाईनची लेंथ आहे 5.3 ती अगेन चेंज नाही होणार आहे, ओके, कॉज द सेंटर लाईन लेंथ विल बी सेम फॉर एनी अदर स्टेप्स, ओके, याच्यामध्ये जर अदर स्टेप जरी असला तरी सेंटर लाईन लेंथ विल बी द सेम. सो वी जस्ट हॅव टू ऍड अदर हाफ ऑफ द पर्टिक्युलर item of the wall. So in case of the PCC, half will be 0.5 and 0.5. So length of the long wall for the PCC will be 5.3, that is the center to center line distance, plus 0.5 plus 0.5. This will give us the out to out distance or out to out length of the long wall, okay, without doing any tedious calculations. Therefore, similarly, for the short wall, again for the short wall, we are going to calculate the center to center line length for the short wall. Okay. Now the center to center line length will be again same 3 meter तुमचं डायमेन्शन आहे, प्लस तुम्हाला हे 0.15 आणि 0.15 करावं लागेल. That will give us the length of the short wall as 3.3 meter. Now, in case of the short wall, as this particular portion has already been considered, okay, सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन लेंथ आपण इथपर्यंत कन्सिडर केलेली आहे, बट हा जो काही एवढा सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन लेंथ आपण इथपर्यंत कन्सिडर केलेली आहे, बट दिस पर्टिक्युलर पोर्शन हॅज ऑलरेडी इज बीन कन्सिडर इन द लॉंग वॉल कॅल्क्युलेशन. देअरफोर तुम्हाला इन टू इन डिस्टन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे, त्यामुळे द लेंथ ऑफ द शॉर्ट वॉल फॉर द ब्रिक वर्क विल बी सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन डिस्टन्स मायनस half width of the item and another half width of the item, because we have to calculate the particular section length into in, okay, therefore this half will be deducted and again other half will be deducted, that will give us the into in distance. Similarly for the PCC, again the particular will be same, okay, center to center line distance minus half width of the item from the one side and half width of the item from the other side. This will give us the in distance of the PCC. So फॉर्म्युला येतो तुमचा, so therefore the long wall length out to out will be center to center line length plus half width of the item on the one side plus half width of the item on the other side. Half म्हणजेच तुमची एक width. Therefore the long wall formula is center to center line distance plus width of the item. Similarly for the short wall there will be the other minus राहील फक्त इथं. Therefore the formula will be center to center line distance, center to center line length minus width of that particular item. Okay, जो काही तुमचा आयटम ऑफ द वर्क असेल, तुमचा ब्रिक वर्क असेल तर 0.3 घेणार, पीसीसी असेल तर 1 असेल, पीसीसीची तुमची विड्थ जी असेल ती 1 असेल, किंवा अदर स्टेप्स ऑफ द युसीआर असतील त्याचे 0.75 असेल. So that particular width will be added in the long wall and that particular width will be subtracted in the short wall. Okay, just remember the concept behind this particular formula. Okay, बरेच जण फक्त Okay. Long wall length out to out will be the center to center line distance plus half width of the item on the one side and half width on the other side. So half of दोन्ही तुमचे एकच होतील. That will be the width of the item. So in case of the long wall, we are going to add the width of the item. In case of the short wall, we are going to subtract the width of the item. हे आपण ऍड आणि मायनस का करतो हे लक्षात ठेवा. ओके. बऱ्याच जणांना फक्त फॉर्म्युला माहित असतो. त्यांना सांगितलं की लॉंग वॉलचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन डिस्टन्स प्लस width of the item. But you have to know the concept behind that particular addition and subtraction. इथं आपण ऍड का करतो आणि तिथं आपण डिडक्ट का करतो. Okay. Now let's take a simple example of the quantity calculations. एवढं सोपं एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला एक्झामला नसेल. सो कॅल्क्युलेट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द पीसीसी अँड यूसीआर मेसनरी. सॉरी, पीसीसी, यूसीआर मेसनरी अँड ब्रिक वर्क. नाउ फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी dividing this particular plan in the long walls and short wall. Okay. So समजा मी या कॉर्नरला 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके. 6 कॉर्नरला 6 नाव दिलेले आहे मी. 1 2 3 4 5 6. नाउ dividing this particular sections in the long wall and short wall. So what will be the long wall and what will be the short wall? Okay. कोणते long wall असतील तुमच्या आणि कोणते short wall असतील हे मला सांगा. Which one will be the long wall and which one will be the short wall? Okay, horizontal wall will be the long wall. So 1 to 3 and 4 to 6 will be the long wall, right? And the verticals will be the short wall, that is 1 to 4, 2 to 5 and 3 to 6. Okay, if we consider these 6 corners, so 1 to 3, okay, that will be your long wall, and 4 to 6, that will be your again second long wall, and the short wall will be the 1 to 4, 2 to 5 and 3 to 5. So number of long walls will be 2. Okay, and number of short walls will be 3. Okay, याला आपण एक लॉंग वॉल कन्सिडर केली, अदर हॉरिझॉन्टलला आपण एक लॉंग वॉल कन्सिडर केली, and this other vertical walls I'll consider as the short wall. Okay, now okay, नंतर आपण बघूया. So the center to center line length of the long wall and center to center line length of the short wall will be. Calculate the center to center line length for the long wall and center to center line length for the short wall. Only those who are giving the answer in the chat box will be considered for the attendance. अशा पण तुमच्या अर्ध्याच्या वरती सर्व उशिरा जॉईन झालेले आहेत. Only those who are solving the particular numerical will be considered for the attendance. So everyone must answer. Center to center line length, sorry, center to center length of this particular long wall. Okay, 1 to 6 आपण 1 to 3 आपण जे आहे ती long wall consider केली. So this center to center line distance we have to calculate for the long wall. So center to center distance, sorry, length of the particular long wall will be first half of this particular brickwork, that is a 0.30 चा तुमचा brickwork आहे. So 0.15 plus room dimension is 3 meters, so 0.15 plus 3 plus this particular whole wall, that is 0.3, another dimension that is plus 4.5 plus half width of this particular wall, that is the 0.15. That will give us the center to center line length of the long wall. Now center to center line distance of the short wall. For the short wall, again center to center line distance, that will be the 0.15 plus 4 plus 0.15. So I think everyone understood how we have calculated the center to center line length distance. Okay, so that will be the long wall साठी तुमचा आला 8.1 meter. For the short wall it is 4.3 meter. Now once the number of long walls and short walls are fixed, and the center to center line length for this all of the long walls and short wall are calculated, then we move towards the calculation of the quantities for the various items of the work. So our first item of the work is PCC. Okay, so again length of the long wall for the PCC will be, सांगा मला length of the long wall for the PCC. We have already calculated center to center line length of the long wall, that is 8.1 meter, and center to center line length for the short wall, that is 4.3 meter. So we have to calculate the length of the long wall for the PCC, that is item of the work. So length of the long wall for the PCC will equals to long wallचा फॉर्म्युला आहे तुमचा सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन डिस्टन्स प्लस विड्थ ऑफ द आयटम. सो इन केस ऑफ द PCC, द विड्थ ऑफ द आयटम जी काही तुमची PCC आहे ती आहे 1.1. The width of the particular PCC, this particular width is 1.1 meter. Therefore the length of the long wall will be center to center line distance आपलं होतं 8.1 meter plus width of the item, that will be the 1.1. So 8.1 plus 1.1, that will give us the quantity of the length of the long wall for the PCC work. So that will be the 9.2 8.8 8.1 plus 1.1, that will give us the length as a 9.2 meter. Now the quantity of the PCC work in the long wall will be equal to number of long wall तुमच्या 2 आहे multiplied by 9.2, that is the long wall length, multiplied by width of the item, that is 1.1, multiplied by height of the item, that is 0.15. That will give us the quantity in the meter cube. So किती आली quantity? Width of the item तुमची होती 1.1. Therefore 9.2, that is length, multiplied by width, that is 1.1, and height of the item तुमची PCC जी होती 0.15, so multiplied by 0.15. So 9.2 multiplied by 1.1 multiplied by 1.15 multiplied by number of long walls, that is 2. Similarly, length of the short wall for the PCC will be सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन डिस्टन्स तुमचं लेंथ होतं तुमचं शॉर्ट वॉलचं 4.3. यामध्ये आपण मायनस विड्थ ऑफ द आयटम करतो. सो 4.3 मायनस विड्थ ऑफ द आयटम इज PCC. सो विड्थ ऑफ द आयटम इज 1.1. सो 4.3 minus 1.1, that will give us the length of the short wall. Okay, for the long wall we add the width of the item, for short wall we subtract the width of the item. So 4.3 minus 1.1, that will give us the length of the short wall as 3.2 meter. Again, quantity of the PCC work in the short wall will be number of short wall तुमच्या 1 2 3 होत्या. So 3 multiplied by length of the short wall तुमची होती 3.2. Again item ची तुमची width होती 1.1 and the height होती 0.15. So 1.1 multiplied by 0.15, that will give us the quantity of the PCC work in the short wall. Now addition of the quantity of the work in the short wall and the long wall, that will give us the total quantity of the PCC work. Now similarly, calculate the quantity of the UCR masonry. मला सांगा UCR masonry calculation करा आणि मला सांगा. The all the calculations will be same. Length of the long wall will be the width of the center to center distance plus width of the item. Again, length of the short wall will be center to center distance minus width of the item. Here the item is UCR. In case of the UCR, there are two steps. Therefore, first we are going to calculate these steps, and second we are going to calculate another step. For first step, the width of the item is 0.70 and height of the item is 0.65. For the second item, the width of the item is 0.45 and height of the item is equal to 0.6. So we have to calculate the quantity of the UCR. So first calculate the length of the long wall for the UCR. That will be center to center line distance plus width of the item. So quantity of the UCR masonry in the long wall will equals to click on stop presenting. इंजिनियर कसे होणार रे राहुल. So the quantity of the UCR masonry for the first step 1.58 meter cube. Okay. So the length of the long wall for the UCR masonry will be 8.1 plus 0.7, that is the width of the item. So length of the long wall will be 8.9. So quantity will be 2, that is the number of the long walls multiplied by 8.9, that is the length of the long wall multiplied by 0.7, that is the width multiplied by height of that particular item. That will give us the quantity of the UCR in the first step for the long wall. Similarly, calculate the quantity for the short wall. In the short wall, we are going to deduct the particular width of the item, that is 0.7. So the length of the short wall will be 4.3 minus 0.7, that will be equals to 3.6 meter. So quantity of the PCC work in the short wall will be 3, that is the number of short walls multiplied by length of the short wall multiplied by the width multiplied by the height. That will give us the quantity in the meter cube. Similarly, you have to calculate quantity for the brick वर. I think तुम्हाला समजलं असेल. रिपीट आपण तेच करणार नाही. एक फुल एक्झाम्पल घेऊ आपण. दिस वन इज अ वे टू सिम्पल. ओके, एक पूर्ण एक्झाम्पल आपण घेऊ. त्यामध्ये मल्टिपल रूम असतील. ओके, लॉंग व शॉर्ट वॉल सुद्धा मल्टिपल असतील. दॅट केस वी विल कॅल्क्युलेट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द इच आयटम इन डिटेल. So calculate the quantity of the brick work. But estimating costing is a numerical subject which you have to practice on your own. Okay, what I can do is to explain the particular procedure, but if you are not doing enough practice for this particular problem, then from the start, okay, असं नाही की शेवटी एक्झामलाच तुम्हाला पर्टिक्युलर एकदम सॉल्व्ह करायला घेतलं तेव्हा समजत नाही. दररोज जे काही आपलं लेक्चरला होतं आता इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल, इफ यू सॉल्व दिस पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल, देन यू आर विल बी मोर कॉन्फिडंट इन सॉल्विंग द बिगर एक्झाम्पल इन अवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द, असं नको समजा की खूप इझी आहे वगैरे. प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल जे आहेत सॉल्व्ह करत चला. सो when we move to the higher okay, more tedious examples, okay, higher difficulty examples, so in that case you will be more confident in solving that particular examples. Okay, आधीपासून सुरुवात लहानपासून करा, पुढे तुम्हाला मग प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करता येतील. नाउ if you have any doubts regarding this sorry If you have any doubts regarding this lecture, please put up in chat box. So another thing, okay, इथं आपण नंबर ऑफ लॉंग वॉल्स 2 आणि 3 का घेतल्या कारण बिकॉज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस पर्टिक्युलर सेंटर टू सेंटर लेंथ फॉर दिस पर्टिक्युलर लॉंग वॉल इज सेम फॉर दिस बोथ वॉल्स. ओके, त्यामुळे आपण नंबर ऑफ लॉंग वॉल्स 2 घेतला. असं नाही की सर्व हॉरिझॉन्टल वॉलला डायरेक्ट नंबर ऑफ लॉंग वॉल करायचे किंवा सर्व व्हर्टिकल वॉलचा सर्व व्हर्टिकल्स वॉलला आपण कन्सिडर करायचं शॉर्ट वॉल्स. ओके, जेव्हा पर्टिक्युलर शॉर्ट वॉलची जी सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन लेंथ असेल ती सेम असेल, ओनली इन दॅट केस वी आर गोइंग टू ग्रुप देम ॲज अ वन. ओके, सो इफ देर आर अ मोर मल्टिपल व्हर्टिकल वॉल्स, सपोज एकाची तुमची 4.1 असेल, दुसऱ्याची 4.2, तिसऱ्याची 4.3. सो फॉर इच सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन लेंथ आपण जे काही समजा 4.1 चे तुमचे 2 असतील, so the number of short wall for the 4.1 will be 2. Okay, so that way we are going to calculate the quantity of the so number of the short walls. Okay, quantity of the PCC. Okay, सो द लेंथ ऑफ द लॉंग वॉल. ओके, सेंटर टू सेंटर लाईन डिस्टन्स आपण आधी सर्वात आधी कॅल्क्युलेट करून घेतलं. त्यानंतर लेंथ ऑफ द लॉंग वॉल फॉर एनी आयटम ऑफ द वर्क, वेदर इट इज अ ब्रिक वर्क, UCR मेसनरी, DPC, okay, or PCC. Okay, for every work the uh, length of the long wall will be center to center line length plus width of the item. In this particular case the width of the item is 1.1. जे काही तुमचं PCC आहे, जे काही बॉटमला तुमचं जे काही PCC आहे, that PCC has a width of the 1.1 meter. So 8.1 plus width of the item, that is 1.1. That will give us the length of the long wall as 9.2 meter. The quantity of the long wall will be number of long walls multiplied by the length multiplied by the width. Width is 1.1 and height is 0.15. So that will give us the quantity of the PCC work in the long wall. Similarly for the short wall चे calculation करताना आपण minus करतो width of the item. So length of the short wall will be center to center line distance minus width of the item, that is the 1.1. So 4.3 minus 1.1, that will give us the quantity of the length of the short wall as 3.2. Now again quantity of the short wall will be 3 multiplied by length multiplied by width multiplied by height. That will give us the total quantity in the meter cube. So quantity of the short wall plus quantity of the long wall, this addition will give us the total quantity of the PCC work in this particular example. Put up your PRN number in the chat box. Okay, जे काही तुमचे सर्वांचे PRN नंबर असतील फॉर प्रेझेंट इथं ऑटोमॅटिक नाही आपलं, त्यामुळे प्लीज पुट अप इन द चॅट बॉक्स. So from the next lecture, we might use the whiteboard to calculate or to solve the various numericals. So be ready with the notebook. Okay. सर्वांना तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहे, त्यामुळे नोटबुक सोबत प्रेझेंट राहा. ओके, नोटबुक यूज करत चाला आणि सॉल्व्ह करत चाला. ओके, मी तर तुम्हाला बघायला नाही की तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करत आहात का नाही एक्झाम्पल, बट तुम्ही क्लासरूम मध्ये मला बघता येतं प्रत्येकाकडे विशेष लक्ष देता येते की तो पर्टिक्युलर स्टुडंटला अंडरस्टँड होत आहे का नाही, तो सॉल्व्ह प्रॉपरली करत आहेत का नाही. बट इन द ऑनलाईन आय कॅन डू दॅट. ओके, आय कॅन ओनली आस्क फॉर द आन्सर्स फ्रॉम यू. ओके, ते पण अर्धच लोक देतात. सो ट्राय टू सॉल्व ऑन युअर ओन. ओके, थोडं एक तास इथं लक्ष द्या, तुम्हाला नंतर मग कुठेही सॉल्व करण्याची गरज नाही. ओके, इस्टिमेटिंग कॉस्टिंग इज वे टू इझी. सो यू डू नॉट हॅव टू लर्न एनिथिंग आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल इन द क्लास. ओके, शेवटी तुम्ही फक्त फायनलला अभ्यास केला तरी चालेल, फक्त क्लासमध्ये एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करत चला. So now I'm ending this particular session. You can leave. या आय एम ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व दॅट पर्टिक्युलर इश्यू. त्यामुळेच मी तुमचा आज लेक्चर घेतलं नाही, तोच इश्यू आहे. ओके, व्हिडिओ क्वालिटी लो होण्याचा तो करत आहे मी सॉल्व. ऍक्च्युली मी दोन्ही यूज करणार आहे, ब्लॅकबोर्ड ॲज वेल ॲज अ प्रेझेंटेशन. सो विच एव्हर यू सिम्स फिट यू कॅन. कसं आहे, ब्लॅकबोर्ड वरती तुम्हाला जास्त अंडरस्टँड करता येते, कारण व्हाईट बोर्ड वरती तुम्हाला पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना थोडं जास्त अंडरस्टँडिंग होते. इट्स पर्टिक्युलर पीपीटी मध्ये तेवढं सॉल्व करता येत नाही. ओके, सो आय एम trying to use both of the particular situation. Okay, both of the particular options. Okay, whichever seems okay, we will go with it. Okay, टेन्शन नको घ्या, मला पण आहे त्याची काळजी. ओके, थँक्यू.